Woodworking as a hobby has seen an increase in popularity over the years. As our lifestyles get more modern and urban, there's a certain peace and satisfaction that can be derived from working with your hands to create something of value. Because of that, thousands of people have started to take up or get more involved in woodworking. However, one of the biggest challenges of woodworking is finding plans that are suitable for you. If the plans are simple, the projects may not interest you. If you do find awesome products that you want to create, the plans may be too complex for you. And in all honesty, buying books with woodworking plans in them may not be enough because of their limited selection of plans. But don't despair. One of the top-selling woodworking guides that has sold thousands and thousands of copies is Ted's Woodworking Plans. Even though it's only available online, this collection of 16,000 woodworking plans has been an online bestseller for years. Ted Mcgrath, who is a professional woodworker, knew exactly what hobbyists and woodworkers needed. His collection of woodworking plans is so huge, with so many different projects to choose from, that it's head and shoulders above every other woodworking guide out there. The plans have been used by many woodworking enthusiasts to create a wide variety of items that look attractive and are useful. Just imagine building the kitchen cabinets in your house. You'll have bragging rights for years, and the money you'll save will be amazing. Let's take a closer look at Ted's Woodworking Plans to see why it's a must-have for your woodworking success. Here's what you will love about Ted's Woodworking Plans. The biggest selling point of this product is the variety of plans. You will never run out of choices of woodworking projects. It's next to impossible to find any physical woodworking guide out there with 16,000 plans. And since this project is an online download, the collection of plans is massive. There's no doubt in our minds that you'll never complain about not having enough plans to choose from to start your next woodworking project. Sometimes it's good to have an idea of what the end product is going to look like before you start on a project. Ted's product contains a DWG CAD file viewer and a 3D modeling software to help you decide if you should begin working on a particular plan. There's no point in creating a product if you're not going to be satisfied with how the final product looks. This product is all about simplicity. That's what has made it so popular for years. The detailed step-by-step plans make it a breeze to follow along. Very often, many woodworking guides are filled with industry terminology that are confusing and intimidating. Ted's plans are simple, concise, and written so that anyone can follow them. It's all written in a straightforward manner that anyone can easily understand. Some people who want to use these plans may not have much skill in woodworking. This can be a setback. Ted understands this, and he has included a woodworking manual that explains the fundamentals of woodworking along with several insider tips and tricks. This 200-page foundational guide will give you all the knowledge you need to get the best out of the plans and become an experienced woodworker. A picture may say 1,000 words, but we are all visual people today. We'd rather watch videos. Because of this, Ted's Woodworking Plans now has 150 excellent instructional videos to make things much easier to understand. Of course, you'll still need to read and refer to the written plans while building the projects. These are high-resolution plans that are clear and easy to read. That's great because nobody has time to squint or use a magnifying glass while working on their project. What's better than a collection of 16,000 plans? A money-back guarantee, that's what. You'll have a full 60 days to try out Ted's plans and see if you like them. If you're not satisfied, you can always get a refund. But in truth, you'll be so busy with all your woodworking projects that you'll be glad you picked it up. Here's what you need to know about Ted's Woodworking Plans. 16,000 plans is a huge collection and it can be intimidating. Which plan do you choose? Where do you even start? Some people may be overwhelmed by the size of the collection. The best way to use Ted's Woodworking Plans effectively will be to take it one small step at a time. Start off with the smaller projects. This will give you more experience and build your skills. If you can't build a small birdhouse, you really don't want your first project to be a dining room table. This is an online download. You'll need a computer and an internet connection to access it. The plans are not always categorized too neatly. The sheer size of the collection probably makes this a difficult task. Nevertheless, you can have fun looking through all the plans and picking and choosing what you like. Here's why you should buy Ted's Woodworking Plans today. If you love woodworking, this product was created for you. It's a fantastic investment at a very affordable price. With 16,000 plans, you'll have enough projects to last you a lifetime. Ted's Woodworking Plans has been a bestseller for years, and its popularity seems to grow each and every year. It's a proven product, and you can't go wrong with it. Get your copy now and get started on your own woodworking project today. Very few things are as satisfying as creating something useful with skills that you have. These plans will give you the opportunity to use those skills and create projects that you will be proud of for years to come.